Hi guys, I'm starting a vlog. Hey guys, it's Fish Chicks here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're on the boat. Got the beautiful sunset here. I'm at sunrise. Sunrise, and we're gonna catch some fish. We already got one keeper in the live well. Oh yeah, second time hooked up. World Star.
Little guy then.
Oh, that's not good then. Oh.
Scrappy though.
Crappy.
Scrappy.
Oh, strappy. There, very good. Oh.
Maybe.
Can we get him in the boat, please? So, very good.
That's called catch and release.
Do the stanky leg.
All right, I'll throw him up.
Well, what do you know? 30 seconds later, back at it again. The last one we had to put back. Okay, getting it up to the surface. Oh, fighter. Ooh, look at that. Whoa.
Follow me on Snapchat, Duck Hunt Chris.
Woo! We're putting this one back too. Guys, come on, you've all been late. Hey, there he is. It's full. It's full. Very good. Third of the day. Third?
Yeah.
Fourth? Fourth.
He could be 18.
Let's see. You want to see? Okay.
Try to take care of that.
Okay, let's check. We are.
To the nose.
Oh, barely. Almost.
Almost.
Just chuck him out. Free falling. That was so... Okay, he's got another lunker.
Whoop whoop.
Oh, where they at though?
Where did that go?
Okay, reeling in. Reeling. Oh, getting him off balance here.
My turn.
He's caught like this fifth fish. We haven't
Almost
caught anything.
keepers.
Is he like bringing the whole boat, like this fish? Like what's going on here?
You spin me right around, baby, right round.
Oh my gosh, this fish is like leading us. Man, 38 incher, Chris.
See, we're gonna get a look at it here. Yeah, that's a
Salmon.
nice one.
Yes. Get him to the. Holy.
Wing him.
Woo!
Oh.
Perfect. Oh, yeah, that's a keeper, no doubt. Whoa! Holy smokes, this could be another keeper. No, you don't think so? Whoa. Maybe. Better measure him. Let's reel in, boys. There he is. Here we go, here we go. Whoa!
Yep, he's 18.
Okay.
I'm on.
Chris! Oh, thought it was big. Hey, you still caught one, right? I have it. Digging away. Very good, Chris. How many is that? 7? Yep, 7. 3 in the live well. Very good. Well, another one. 9th one of the day. Very good.
I say we let those 18 inches go.
Yeah.
Yep, we'll let them go. Fish that way. He thinks it's dumb fishing. I like it because it's
Rip, Chris. Snag. We've been working at it for 15 minutes now. It's like the perfect song, huh, Chris? Oh, Chris is going on. Woo! I mean, not Chris, my dad. Little guy.
fish. There we go.
Yeah, Chris. Little guy. Woo!
You gotta start.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Another one.
Keep jigging.
Yay, I finally caught one. I knew I had one. Smallest catch of the day. Holy crap, the water is so rough. What? There's another one. Whee! I got 2, and then I got 1, Chris has got 2. Yep.
And a cement.
Jigging here. Yeah, Chris got some bottle flip at the Century. I just caught 2 fish, but
You guys have any luck?
Chris is at 2.
Wind's rough.
I'm at 3. My dad's at a lot.
That was before the wind started.
Okay guys, super windy right now, so we're gonna head in. Chris caught 2 fish. I caught 4. My dad caught however many he got. He caught like 3 keepers, but whatever. Bye, Bodie. Play the hype music.
Oh,
Woohoo! 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 It's a wild Chris in its natural habitat. All around us are familiar faces. We're back at the house with Chris. And waiting for Tuck to get here. I'm not really sure what we're going to do. I think we're going to ride around town in new paved streets. But
I caught a fishy.
yeah. So the ending, my dad caught like 10 or something. Something close to there. I caught like 4 and Chris caught 2.
Woo!
So,
Hey, I'm not used to that kind of fishing.
So, first fishing vlog. No, the first one was awesome, but stupid uploading didn't really work. It only uploaded half the video. Chris caught like 20 fish in that video. Now he only caught 2. Right now I'm with the crew, the Tucker and the Chriser, and we're going to go get some Mexican food. I think Chris is. Do you even have enough money? Yeah, I'm just going to get the horchata. What are you going to get?
Food.
Horchata?
I'm getting enough food, probably whatever they have.
You know.
No snow cone.
Snow cone?
You're gonna use your credit card. What you got was whatever that is, and then I got a bean and cheese burrito. The price.
Dude, that's pretty good for $3. What is it without the rice?
What?
What is it without the rice?
3.
Really? Dude, that's pretty good.
Oh my god, it's Arthur Weller.
Things you get at Costco. Those double chocolate chip.
Yeah. You know who else has those double chocolate chip muffins? I bought some for Jim today because he loves sweets, and he's been babysitting the dog. Let me show you some more pictures of that plane. I think I've got some around here. Do you ever heard of the Blue Angels?
I think so, yeah.
We went on a boat, it was like a yacht, big yacht yesterday over in the bay, out by Alameda. And you go out in San Francisco Bay. And they performed for about 2 hours.
Oh, jeez.
Get him, Chris, get him. You have to go in 5 minutes?
Not like go home. It'll be 3 o'clock and I'm leaving for scouts at 3:30.
Wow. Well, me and Tuck kind of have
Alright,
to.
rip
Number
down.
number 44.
Chuck down.
Whoa! Number 44. Tuck Forbes.
No, you just
For Pa.
not very good.
I haven't done this in a few years.
Tuck Forbes for Pa.
Aim over there to the boardhouse.
Fair. Very bad.
Go.